I don't have to as long as it's Taser.
Officer Caleb Hoodham initiated a routine traffic stop near 15th and Broadway in Edmond, Oklahoma. The driver pulled into a shopping center in the 1600 block of South Broadway. As Officer Hoodham was concluding the traffic stop, a man later identified as 22-year-old Ocean Hudson approached him on foot. Without warning or provocation, Hudson launched a violent assault, first spraying Officer Hoodham in the face with pepper spray, then physically attacking him. Hudson repeatedly stabbed and slashed the officer with a butcher knife and attempted to grab Officer Hoodham's firearm from its holster. Before backup officers arrived, a passerby stepped in to help Officer Hoodham. The following video includes footage from Officer Hoodham's dash camera and body-worn camera. Viewer discretion is strongly advised.
Stop! Start me another. Start me another. Stop! Stop!
Nothing left. Just do me a favor, man. I've done my life.
Yes!
I only ask.
Take the knife away from him.
Sir, I only ask.
See, drop it, drop it, drop it. Sir, drop it.
You do me this favor.
Sir, drop it. Drop it, sir. Sir, drop it. Please drop it. Please, don't hurt anybody. Please, in the name of God. Get on my radio. Please don't drop anybody. Don't drop it. Sir, drop it. Sir, drop it. Stop.
Shoot me, man. I got nothing to live for. 22?
Yes, you do, buddy. You have everything to live for.
No.
Yes.
I'm supposed to be in prison today. But I ain't doing that.
There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Stop, dude. Good stab. Good stab.
You okay?
Here we go.
Hold his arm. Hold his arm.
Yep.
Don't you move. You understand me?
I got him. I got him. Get up. Get up. You need help. You need help, sir. Really bad.
I got nothing left.
Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up.
You can shoot me.
Yep. Got him. Come on. Come on.
Get on your stomach now.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
He's getting that on for me.
I've been moving more. I've been snapping.
How about the taser? Hold on my arm. You okay, buddy? Hold what you got.
Yeah.
Hold what you got.
I got him.
6 months, 4 more units.
Taser. Nope. Tase him, dude. Tase the out of him.
Get that other arm. Bring that other arm back. Bring that other arm back. Bring it back.
Kill me, man.
Bring it back. I'm gonna tase you again.
Get him.
Okay. Bring that arm back. Do it now. All right. Bring that arm back. Do it now. Get him help. Hey, he's bad. He's bad. Get him help.
Ocean Hudson was tased by a responding officer and placed under arrest. His charges are assault and battery on a police officer, aggravated assault and battery on a police officer, assault and battery with a deadly weapon, obstruction of a police officer, the transfer of bodily fluids upon a state employee, and aggravated possession of child pornography.